Good afternoon, doctor. Thank you for seeing me on such short notice. I've been feeling quite under the weather for the past 3 days.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see what's going on. Can you describe your symptoms? Do you have a fever or a cough?
Well, it started with a very sore throat on Tuesday morning. By the evening, I had a headache and I started feeling chills. I took my temperature and it was 38.5 degrees Celsius.
I see. Have you been taking any medication to manage the fever, like paracetamol or aspirin?
I took some ibuprofen yesterday, which helped with the headache, but the sore throat is getting worse. It's even hard to swallow water now.
Okay. Please open your mouth and say, "Ah." I need to check your tonsils. Yes, they look quite red and swollen. I'm going to listen to your lungs as well. Take a deep breath for me.
Is it anything serious? I have a big presentation at work next Monday, and I really need to be back on my feet by then.
Your lungs sound clear, which is good news. It looks like a viral infection, but I want to do a quick strep test just to be sure it's not bacterial. If it's viral, antibiotics won't help.
I understand. How long do you think the recovery will take?
Usually, these things last about 5 to 7 days. I'll write you a prescription for a medicated throat spray and some strong vitamins. The most important thing is rest and drinking plenty of fluids, tea, water, or broth.
I'll make sure to stay hydrated. Should I come back for a follow-up visit?
Only if the fever doesn't go down in the next 48 hours. I'll give you a sick note for your employer for the rest of the week. Please take it easy.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help.
Hi there. I'd like to pick up a prescription for amoxicillin, please. Here's the paperwork from my doctor.
Hello. Let me check our system. Yes, we have that in stock. It will take me about 5 minutes to prepare the labels. While you wait, is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes. I've been having some terrible allergies lately because of the pollen. Do you have any non-drowsy antihistamines you would recommend?
We have several options. This one is very popular. It lasts for 24 hours and shouldn't make you feel sleepy during the day. It's also on sale this week.
That sounds perfect. I'll take a box of those. Oh, and I also need some high protection sunscreen. I'm going to the beach this weekend.
We have a special section for sun care over there. I recommend an SPF 50 if you have fair skin. By the way, regarding your prescription, have you taken this antibiotic before?
No, it's my first time. Are there any specific instructions I should follow?
Yes, it's very important. You need to take 1 capsule 3 times a day, ideally after a meal to avoid an upset stomach. And most importantly, finish the entire course, even if you start feeling better after 2 days.
Got it. Finish the whole box. Are there any side effects I should watch out for?
Some people feel a bit dizzy or get a mild rash. If that happens, stop taking it and call your doctor. Also, try to avoid drinking alcohol while you are on this medication.
That's good to know. Thank you for the advice. How much do I owe you for everything?
The total for the prescription, the allergy pills, and the sunscreen comes to $45. Will you be paying by card or cash?
Card, please. Here you go.
Excuse me, I'm looking for some books on European history, specifically the 19th century. Could you tell me which section I should look in?
Certainly. That would be in the non-fiction wing, on the 3rd floor. You'll find history under the 900 series in the Dewey Decimal System.
Great, thank you. Also, I'm looking for a quiet place to work on my laptop. Most of the tables on the 1st floor seem to be taken.
The 3rd floor is actually a silent zone, so it's much quieter there. There are individual study carrels by the windows with power outlets for your computer.
That's perfect. I have a lot of research to finish. I'd also like to know, how many books am I allowed to check out at once with a standard library card?
You can take up to 10 books at a time. The loan period is 3 weeks, but you can renew them twice online if no one else has reserved them.
10 books is plenty. What happens if I return a book late? Is there a heavy fine?
We actually stopped charging daily fines last year to encourage more people to use the library. However, if a book is more than a month late, your account will be blocked until you return it.
That's a very fair system. One more thing, do you have a printer or a scanner available for public use?
Yes, we have a multifunction printer in the media center. It's 10 cents per page for black and white and 50 cents for color. You'll need to put some credit on your library card at the kiosk over there.
Thank you so much for all the information. You've been very helpful.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your study session and let me know if you need help finding a specific title.
Hi, Mark. Can you hear me okay? I think my internet connection is a bit unstable today.
Hey, yes, I can hear you, but your video is freezing every few seconds. Maybe you should try turning off your camera for a bit to save bandwidth.
Good idea. Let me try that. Is that better?
Much better. Your audio is perfectly clear now. Are you ready for the advanced Excel workshop? I heard the professor is going to cover pivot tables today.
I'm a bit nervous, honestly. I missed the last session because I was traveling. Did I miss anything crucial?
Don't worry, I have the notes from last time. We mostly worked on basic formulas and data sorting. I can email them to you after this class if you want.
Oh, that would be a lifesaver. Thank you so much. Oh, look, the professor just posted a link in the chat box. It looks like a spreadsheet for today's exercise.
I see it. Let me download it. Wait, it's asking for a password to open the file. Did he mention a password in the email?
Let me check. Ah, yes, he said the password is Excel 2024 with a capital E.
Got it. It's working now. By the way, did you hear that the final exam for this course will be an online project instead of a written test?
Really? That's great news. I much prefer practical projects over memorizing theory. When is the deadline?
He said we have until the end of the month. We can even work in pairs. Would you like to be my partner for the project?
I'd love to. We work well together. Let's talk about our topic after the lecture finishes.
Sounds like a plan. Shh, the professor is starting the recording now.
Is anyone sitting here? I've been looking for a table with a power outlet for 10 minutes.
Oh, no, please, have a seat. I'm just finishing my latte and doing some light reading. I don't mind sharing the table.
Thank you so much. This place is incredibly busy for a Thursday afternoon. I guess everyone had the same idea to work from a cafe today.
It's usually quieter, but I think the library down the street is closed for renovations, so everyone moved here. Are you working on something interesting?
I'm actually preparing a freelance proposal for a new client. I'm a graphic designer, and I really need to focus, but the music here is a bit loud today.
It is quite loud. I usually bring my noise-canceling headphones, but I forgot them today. I'm a translator, so I understand the need for silence.
A translator? That's fascinating. What languages do you work with?
I translate legal documents from Spanish and French into English. It's not very creative, but it keeps me busy. What kind of design do you do?
Mostly brand identities, logos, color palettes, that sort of thing. I love it, but finding new clients can be stressful sometimes.
I can imagine. Well, I'll let you get to your proposal. By the way, if you're planning on staying for a while, you should try their almond croissants. They are the best in the city.
Thanks for the tip. I might get one as a reward if I finish this proposal in the next hour.
Good luck. I'm going to head out now and enjoy the sunshine. Have a productive afternoon.
Thanks. You too. It was nice meeting you.
Excuse me, do you work here? I'm looking for this navy blue dress in a size medium, but I can only find smalls and extra larges on the rack.
Let me check that for you. Sometimes we have extra stock in the back room. One moment. Checks device. Yes, it looks like we have 2 mediums left. I'll go grab one for you.
Oh, that's great news. Thank you. I'm attending a wedding next week, and I think this style would be perfect.
Here you go, 1 medium navy dress. Would you like to try it on? The fitting rooms are just past the shoe department on the right.
Yes, please. Also, do you think this dress goes well with these silver heels, or should I look for something more classic, like black pumps?
Personally, I think the silver adds a nice touch of elegance for a wedding. It makes the navy blue pop.
A few minutes later, it fits perfectly, but I noticed a small loose thread on the sleeve. Is it possible to get a small discount for that?
I'm sorry about that. Since it's the last one in this size, I can offer you a 10% discount, or I can see if our tailor can fix it for you right now.
I'll take the discount and fix it myself. It's very minor. Oh, and I saw a sign outside about a buy one, get one half price offer on accessories. Does that apply to scarves?
Yes, it applies to all scarves and jewelry. If you pick another item, the cheaper one will be 50% off.
Wonderful. I'll go pick out a nice silk scarf to match the dress.
Excellent choice. I'll wait for you at the cash register whenever you're ready. Whew, that last set of bench presses was much harder than I expected. Are you using this bench, or can I stay here for one more set?
Go ahead. I'm still finishing my interval training on the stationary bike. I'll be ready for the weights in about 5 minutes. How much weight are you lifting?
I'm trying to hit 80 kilograms today. I've been training for 3 months, but I feel like I've hit a plateau. My progress has slowed down.
That's completely normal. Sometimes you need to change your routine to shock your muscles. Have you tried changing the number of repetitions or the speed of your lifts?
I usually do 3 sets of 10. Maybe I should try doing fewer reps with more weight.
That could work for building strength. Also, make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself.
You seem to know a lot about this. Are you a regular here?
I've been coming to this gym for 2 years. I used to be a swimmer, so I'm used to a strict training schedule. By the way, your form on that last rep was a bit off. Try to keep your elbows closer to your body.
Thanks for the tip. I definitely don't want to injure my shoulders. Do you want to spot me for my last set? I'm a bit worried I won't be able to lift it back up.
Sure, I can help with that. Safety first. Just give me 30 seconds to wipe down my bike.
No rush. I really appreciate the help. It's much more motivating to train when there are helpful people around.
I agree. Okay, I'm ready. Let's see that 80-kilogram lift. I am absolutely exhausted, and the fridge is empty. Can we just agree to order a pizza tonight?
You don't have to ask me twice. I've been thinking about pepperoni pizza since lunch. Which place should we call? Mario's or Pizza Palace?
Let's try Mario's. They have that thin crust Italian style that I love. But can we get something other than just pepperoni? Maybe half veggie?
Half pepperoni and half veggie sounds like a fair compromise. What vegetables do you want? Mushrooms, peppers, and olives?
Yes, and please ask for extra cheese on the whole thing. Oh, and check if they have any side dishes. I'm craving some garlic knots or maybe a Caesar salad.
I'll check the menu online. Okay, they have a family deal. It includes a large pizza, 6 garlic knots, and a 2-liter bottle of soda for $25.
That's a great deal. Let's get that. For the soda, can we get sugar-free cola?
Got it. I'm calling them now. Mimicking phone call. Hello, I'd like to order a large half pepperoni, half veggie pizza. Yes, thin crust, with extra cheese.
Don't forget to ask how long the delivery will take. It's Friday night, so they might be busy.
To phone. How long is the wait for delivery? 45 minutes? Okay, that's fine. To speaker. They said it'll be about 45 minutes.
That's not too bad. I'll go set the table and get some napkins. Will you pay with the app or give cash to the driver?
I'll just pay through the app now, it's easier. It even lets me track the driver on a map. He's already preparing the dough.
Can you believe this weather? It was freezing cold this morning, and now I'm actually sweating in my jacket.
I know, right? The weather in this city is so unpredictable. I saw on the news that a warm front is coming in, so it might stay like this for a few days.
I hope so. I'm tired of wearing heavy coats and scarves. But the forecast also mentioned a chance of thunderstorms for the weekend.
Oh, I hope not. I have so much laundry to do, and I wanted to hang it outside to dry. Rain would ruin my plans.
Well, they say if you don't like the weather here, just wait 10 minutes and it will change. Do you think it's going to be a hot summer this year?
Experts are saying it might be one of the hottest on record. I'm already thinking about buying a new air conditioner for the bedroom. Last year was unbearable.
I agree. I remember those nights in July when it was 30 degrees even at midnight. It was impossible to sleep.
Exactly. But for now, I'm just enjoying the spring flowers. The cherry blossoms in the park are starting to bloom.
They are beautiful. We should try to go for a walk there before the rain starts. It's such a short window of time before the petals fall.
Let's go tomorrow afternoon. Even if it's a bit cloudy, it'll still be nice to get some fresh air.
Sounds like a great idea. I'll bring my camera. I've been meaning to take some nature photos.
Perfect. Let's check the forecast one more time tonight, just in case.
So, our brother's 30th birthday is coming up in 2 weeks. We really need to start planning something special. Do you have any ideas?
I've been thinking about that. He's not a big fan of large, noisy parties, so maybe we should do something more intimate. A nice dinner with just family and his closest friends?
That's a good start, but he loves the outdoors. What if we rent a small cabin by the lake for the weekend? We could have a barbecue and go hiking.
Now that's a great idea. He would love that. Let me check the prices for cabins online. Most of the ones near the lake are quite expensive for a weekend.
What if we split the cost with his 3 best friends? If 5 or 6 people contribute, it will be much more affordable.
Good point. I'll send a message in our group chat and see what they think. What about the food? Should we prepare everything ourselves?
I can handle the marinating and the salads, and you can be the grill master. We should also get a really nice cake, maybe a dark chocolate one, since that's his favorite.
I know a great bakery that does custom cakes. I can order one with a funny message on it. Do you think we should have a theme for the weekend?
Maybe just a relaxation theme. No phones, just board games, good food, and nature.
He would definitely appreciate the no phones rule. He's always complaining about work emails.
Exactly. I'll start looking for available cabins on Airbnb. Can you check if everyone is free on the 24th?
I'm on it. This is going to be the best birthday he's had in years.
I hope so. He deserves it. Let's keep it a secret until the very last minute.